Understanding the benefits of an LLC. Forming a limited liability company, LLC, is one of the most popular ways to structure a small or growing business in the US. An LLC provides legal protection for personal assets, offers tax flexibility, and is relatively simple to manage. Unlike corporations, LLCs are not required to hold annual meetings or record detailed minutes. Plus, they can choose how they are taxed, either as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. LLCs are especially beneficial for small business owners, freelancers, real estate investors, and foreign entrepreneurs looking to enter the US market. One of the greatest advantages is that owners, known as members, aren't personally liable for the company's debts or legal obligations. Choose the right state. Although you can form an LLC in any state, choosing where to register is a strategic decision. Most US residents form the LLC in their home state. However, for international clients or those seeking investor friendly laws, Delaware, Wyoming, and Florida are top choices. Delaware. Ideal for startups due to its business friendly legal system. Wyoming. Offers privacy, low fees, and strong asset protection. Florida. Great for service based businesses and non residents. If your business operates mainly in a different state than where it's registered, you may still need to register as a foreign LLC in the state where you operate. Choose a unique business name. Your LLC's name must be distinguishable from other registered businesses in the state. Use your Secretary of State's website to check availability. Most states also require LLC or Limited Liability Company to appear in the business name. Tip: reserve the domain name for your business website and secure your name on social media platforms early, even before registration, to protect your brand. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is required in every state. This person or company receives legal documents on behalf of the LLC. They must have a physical address in the state of formation and be available during regular business hours. You can act as your own registered agent, but many business owners prefer to hire a professional service for privacy and reliability. File articles of organization. This is the legal document that officially creates your LLC. It's filed with the Secretary of State and typically includes name and address of the LLC, name and address of the registered agent, names of members or managers, purpose of the business in some states. Filing fees range from $50 to $500 depending on the state. Processing time can take anywhere from 1 to 20 business days. Create an operating agreement. While not mandatory in all states, an operating agreement is highly recommended. It outlines the ownership structure, member roles, voting rights, and how profits will be distributed. For multi-member LLCs, it helps prevent conflicts. For single-member LLCs, it adds credibility and protects your limited liability status. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. Issued by the IRS, the EIN acts like a social security number for your business. It's required for opening a bank account, hiring employees, and filing taxes. You can apply online through the IRS website for free. Foreign owners can also apply, but may need to submit Form SS-4 by fax or mail and speak with an IRS agent if they don't have a US Social Security number. Comply with state and local requirements. Depending on your industry and location, you may need licenses, permits, or zoning approvals. Many states require annual reports or franchise taxes to keep your LLC active. Failing to stay compliant can lead to fines or administrative dissolution. It's a good idea to consult with a professional to stay on top of deadlines and filings. Conclusion plus expert tips. Registering an LLC is a foundational step in legitimizing your business, protecting your assets, and setting the stage for growth. With the right guidance, it's a manageable process. 3 tips to simplify. LLC registration. Choose a state based on your long-term goals, not just filing fees. Use a professional registered agent to protect your privacy. Don't skip the operating agreement. It's your business playbook.